guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this is another get ready with me where I'll be showing you me getting ready to go out. I did my hair. I have a separate video on my hair. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my makeup and you know, my jewelry, how I accessorize everything. But yeah, this video is sponsored by Ana Luisa, and they sent me these beautiful earrings, this necklace, and this beautiful bracelet, which I will be talking more about later on in the video. They do have a lot of discounts happening right now, so stay tuned if you want to know the discounts that they're having and more details on these pieces that I'm wearing. But without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Guys, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of what the company Ana Luisa carries. They carry different necklaces, earrings, bracelets, all of that, and these are affordable jewelry that, and I think they're also stainless steel. They do not change. Like, I've had them for how long and it doesn't change. Okay, but this month, the entire month, they're doing a sale, and they're going to do, I think they're doing the sale from November to December, and the sale will start at 15% off, and it can go all the way up to 60% off during the peaks of the campaigns. Honestly guys, I love their jewelry. I love their pieces because it looks so luxurious, and I'm telling you, I've had pieces from them before, and I've had it since this day. I think I wore it on my birthday last year, and ever since I have never, I swear to God, I didn't take it off. I just kept it on, and it was still in good shape. And I took showers in them as well, and they were fine. Okay, but yeah, if you guys want to see the pieces that I chose, definitely stay tuned for that, because I did show them in this video up close and personal. But for now, I just wanted to kind of introduce you to the company if you don't know about them. Like I said before, they're a jewelry company. They sell necklaces, bracelets, rings. They have certain pieces that are real diamonds. They're a little bit more expensive, but they also have affordable pieces that gives you that rich and luxurious feeling as well. But once again, I would like to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Yeah, we're just gonna continue watching the makeup, and then when I get to the getting ready part where I'll show you guys the pieces that I chose for myself, then I will definitely come and speak more on that. But for now, enjoy the makeup part. Also, I forgot to kind of tell you guys what I'm putting on my face, like the products and stuff, but I will link them down below in the description box. It's always there. I never, like, it's in my default settings right now. And my products that I use on my face, they are constantly, like, I don't really change them, honestly. I just kind of just restock on them, but never, I haven't changed. The only thing I've changed probably my contour, but it is down below in the description box. My makeup that the makeup that I use is from Fenty Beauty, and also Huda Beauty. Is it Huda Beauty? The Huda? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Honestly guys, I'll put it down below in the description box, but I do mix my makeup to get the right shade. But yeah, this is pretty much my everyday makeup look, so that's why I'm not really going in depth to kind of tell you guys, okay, this is what I did, this is what I didn't do, and all of that. It's nothing out of the ordinary, like I've done it on my channel before. It's just my everyday makeup look. This is pretty much my go-to look if I'm supposed to go out and I want a little bit of glam. So it's not so much of everyday makeup look, to be honest, because on a regular day I don't wear makeup, so I don't really have like an everyday makeup look. Like if I'm running to the store, this is what I would do to my face. I don't really have a look because I normally just go with my face bare. So it's not really everyday, but it's more of like a simple glam that my go-to glam then. Yeah, that makes more sense. So it's pretty much my go-to glam that I would do if I'm going out. I kind of just do no eyeshadows. I just do like a neutral tone over my eyes, and then I will go extra with the lashes to make the lashes do all the talking for moi. So yeah, that's why I'm not really like going in depth to tell you guys like what I'm doing specifically. But yeah, this is my everyday glam, or my go-to glam. I keep on saying everyday. My go-to glam look. The lip, I do believe I put the lip in the description box as well, but the lip that I do is just the Morphe. Morphe has this Nude collection lip gloss. I've only been wearing them, and I've just been lining my lips with my MAC lip liner. I sometimes use Chestnut. I sometimes use that same eyeshadow palette, the Warriors by Juvia. Sometimes I use a dark shade in that to line my lips, or I will go with my Sephora lip liner. But you just really want to use any brown lip liner, to be honest. For my lashes, these are my old lash that I had, like my lash styles. Remember I used to sell Lash? They are one of like the old styles that I used to sell. So yeah, I'll let you guys watch, and then I'll come back to speak more on like the jewelry. necklace that I chose to go with my fit was the Miche necklace, and this is their 14K gold plated necklace. It is 14K gold on brass, cubic zirconia, and green aventurine, and it is 19.7 inches long, 9 grams heavy. I really love this necklace just because I think the green clamps in it, that little green almost like crystal, just gave me that pop. So I was just like, yep, I want this. Like, it just looks rich. Okay, so that's my reason for choosing this necklace. But here it is up close. So for the earrings, I chose the Kian earring. It's originally $170, and it's now $136 with a 20% off, and it is 14K gold plating, and the components is cubic zirconia, 14K gold on recycled sterling silver. Also, I forgot to tell you guys that the necklace, it was $140, but it's now $112 with 20% off. So guys, you don't want to miss out on these sales, okay? The last product that I chose is the bracelet, and I chose the Aura bracelet. It's now $88, 14K gold plated, components 14K gold on stainless steel, cubic zirconia, and it is 165 mm, 6.5 inches, and 25 mm 1 inches long, and it weighs 13.3 grams. But all in all, guys, I absolutely love these products. Like I said, they're doing sale for the entire month of November, fully 20% off, and it goes up gradually during peak season, right through December. So stay tuned for that. I will be choosing new ones in December, and I'm so excited because I actually love this company. Like, their products. So this is amazing. The end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I would like to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Do not forget to check the links in the description box. I will be putting the links down below where you could get these beautiful pieces that they sent me. These earrings, this beautiful necklace, and this beautiful bracelet. Also, just a reminder that they are doing one of their biggest sale, end of year sale, where they're doing 20% off their entire website. Like, who does not want cute jewelry that really does not change it? Like, it honestly, I've had my previous pieces from them and I could still wear them till this day. Imagine being able to get these beautiful pieces plus discounts on them. You're not even going to be paying regular price. Who does not want a discount? Like, let me know. But yeah, the links will be in the description box if you guys want to purchase any of these pieces. The link is down below. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will definitely see you guys in my next. Bye.